It's not fair when mum and dad nag, stand up straight, don't be rude. It's so not fair, cause the killer boy rats no school thinks kids rule. So when they send you to your room, sing a little tune. You sing na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na.
Biggest bogey was as big as a tennis ball.
Mom, Henry's putting me off my breakfast.
Don't be horrid, Henry. I wish I could be in the big book of weird and wacky records.
Yeah, for the world's smelliest socks.
You're the smelly, nappy baby round here.
The world's smelliest. Ooh, excuse me. I've got hiccups.
Oh, now, what did they recommend on I'm a Parent Get Me Out of Here? Oh, I know. Something sweet and sugary.
Yeah, just put a live frog down his pants. That'll get rid of them.
Here we are, Peter. Have a spoonful of honey.
Oh, no! Now I've got hiccups too. Hick! Hick! I must have caught them off Peter. I need something sweet too.
No, you don't, Henry. You've got super hiccups, so you need...
A sweet?
No, Henry. Pickled onion juice.
That your favourite book, Henry?
Yeah, look at this!
What's he doing with that cucumber?
I don't think you want to know.
Right, I hope you've all brought in your favourite book. Who'd like to go first?
Me, miss!
Oh, thank you, Henry. Yes, one of my favourite books too. I particularly like the record for the world's most effective teacher.
The world's baggiest...
Henry's got the hiccups. Henry's got the hiccups. Henry's got the hiccups.
Silence! Try again, Henry.
the world's baggiest bot was as big...
Thank you. I think we've all heard enough, Henry.
Oh, I've got to get rid of these hiccups!
Now, children, today I want you to mix up some blue dye and some yellow dye and see what colour you can make.
Psst, Brian!
What is it, Henry?
Can you mix up a potion to scare my hiccups away?
No problem! First, we need to mix up some plutonium blastamite. And then we add the magnesium nitrofizzle. And now, the most important ingredient of all, dynamitium exploding bauxite.
Oh, well, that didn't work. Oh, how am I going to get rid of these hiccups? I didn't realise that laughing could make you so miserable.
If you can get hiccups from laughing, maybe being really sad can get rid of them.
What's the saddest thing you can think of, William?
Not enough jam on my toast.
Mine would be losing all my pocket money.
Come with me, Henry. Come on then, drop it.
Maybe there's something else that would make me sad.
So did that make you sad, Henry? Did that get rid of your hiccup?
No, just made me really angry. Ralph, what are you doing?
Trying to give you a fright.
Oh, thanks.
Maybe it would work if you gave someone a fright.
Okay, so who would you say is the smelliest boy in the school?
Henry.
Apart from Henry. Ha! Don't you just hate getting your feet wet, Henry?
Huh?
Time!
Oh! Did that work?
I don't know.
It didn't work!
Boo!
Ralph! That's really scary!
Did it work?
No!
Hello, Henry. Miss Oddbod wants to see you in her office.
Oh, great! That's all I need. Oh, whatever it wasn't my fault.
Oh, no, Henry, you haven't done anything wrong today. I've got someone here who wants to meet you. This is Mr. Snapshot from the Big Book of Weird and Wacky Records.
Hi there, Henry. Call me Sam. We think you're about to break a record.
Me? What record?
Well, according to my notes, you got your hiccups at 9:30 this morning, and you've been hiccuping at a constant rate ever since. We estimate that you have hiccuped 9,389 times.
4 more, and you've got the town record.
You mean I could be a record breaker?
3 more to go. So, we need a picture of you for next year's cover, and there's £50 of prize money too.
Oh, wow! I'm going to be rich and famous!
Let's go outside, shall we? I want to get a photo of that record-breaking hiccup. Whenever you're ready, hiccuping Henry.
Any minute now! I can feel it! It's on its way!
Oh, I love it when he hiccups.
We found one, Henry. Peter. You've got rid of Henry's hiccups.
Yes! He said a frog would get rid of my hiccups, so I thought it would work for him.
Better luck next time, Henry.